Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your Windows Essential error and why you have this error. So first you need to know that this specific application and it only depends on your language, on your interface language on your computer. So if you have English language, you need to download installation version of Windows Essential on English, and if you have Turkish, you need to download it on Turkish. If you have French interface, you need to download French this program. And also you need to you understand, if you have installation of in English and you have French interface, you can also don't download French the application, but change your interface language to French, to English, and it will works. So you just need to go to start to settings, and in settings you need to choose time and language, and here you choose language, and here you can see that you can also here change language to another, for example to Ukrainian. So just make it up and it will change this language, it will set by default. And also you can change the display language here. Just click in here, and here you will see another language you can change to. Also you need maybe you need to download some package. If you don't have